Yes, let us continue. Another problem from the same exercise is, see, problem number 3 over 4th one. Again square root 0.6. 0.6. Same formula. F of x plus delta x is, you have to find approximate value means f of x plus delta x you have to find. That one itself is a root of 0.6. So x plus delta x is no doubt 0.6. What about x here? Nearest value whose root is known, 1 is better. Therefore, what happens to the delta x? It can be written as 0.4, correct, no? Minus 0.4. Minus 0.4. Verify whether it is so. 1 plus minus 0.4 means 0.6, correct. F of x equal to root x. F of 1 equal to root 1 equal to 1. Anything else you need? F dash, let us do it later. So, x plus delta x, f of x, everything is over. Come back to the formula. F of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Square root of 0.6 equal to f of x, f of 1 plus f dash of 1 into delta x is minus 0.4 equal to f of 1, f dash of 1, that's what I told. Find it separately. If f of x is root x, f dash of x is 1 by 2 root x. F dash of x is 1 by 2 root x. F dash of 1 is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 itself. F dash of 1 is 1 by 2. Come back to this. F dash of 1 by 2 minus 0.4. 1 minus 0.2. Correct, no? Minus, divide this 0.2, correct. 0.8 is the value. 0.8 is the value. Problem from the textbook. Exercise 6.4. 82 to the power 1 by 4. Let me try 2 more, no problem. See this one, next one is 82 to the power 1 by 4. So far you have seen square root, cube root also. This is 4th root. Whatever it may be, let us write that. F of x plus delta x is 82 to the power 1 by 4. Function whose approximate value is required, it is f of x plus delta x. Therefore, x plus delta x is no doubt 82. X is, remember, you know 4th root of 81 is known. 3 it is. 3 to the power 4 is 81. So, let me write 81. Therefore, delta x 1. 82 plus 1. X plus O over f of x, 4th root of x, 81 to the power 1 by 4, or let me write separate. F of x is 81, 81 to the power 1 by 4, 3. Anything else you need? X plus delta x over x over delta x is this one, 1, 81 plus 1. F of x is x to the power 1 by 4. X is 81, 3. F dash let us find later. F of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. 82 to the power 1 by 4 equal to f of 81, f dash of 81 into delta x is 1. Equal to f of 81, 3 plus f dash. F of x equal to x to the power 1 by 4. F dash of x equal to 1 by 4 x to the power minus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 minus 1. N into x to the power n minus 1. Or you can write this 4 into x to the power 3 by 4. What about f dash of 81? F dash of 81. It is 1 by 4 into 81 to the power 3 by 4, or it is 1 by 4 into, first take 4th root of 81, that is known 3 cube 27, or it is 1 by 108. 1 by 108. Come back to this. 1 by 108 into 1. Or 3 plus 1 by 108. Calculate 1 by 108. Zero 0.009. Yes, answer is 3.009. Answer is 3.009. 82 to the power 1 by 4 is this one. Work out carefully. Value can be obtained from the calculator. Ordinary calculator is allowed in the examination also. Let me take another problem of the same type. That's enough. See, this is seems to be a little complicated. That's why I have taken that. 968 to the power 3 by 2. See, 3.968 to the power 3 by 2. It is a little different from other problems so far we did. 3 point f of x plus delta x. Now I think you got the idea. 3.968 to the power 3 by 2. Okay. Therefore, no doubt, x plus delta x is 3.968. X is, selecting x is the thing. Its power 3 by 2 must be known. Which is that x? 4, no? 4 to the power 3 by 2, how much? 4 to the power 3 by 2 means first find a square root. 2 cube 8. So x is 4. Therefore delta x is no doubt 4 minus 3.968 how much? 4 minus 3.968. 0. Mostly it is minus because we have taken the 0.032. Okay. Delta x is this. Next, after that what you have tried? F of x. It is x to the power 3 by 2. F of 4 is, because x is 4, 4 to the power 3 by 2. square root of 4 first cube, 8. Enough. F dash let us calculate later. Write the formula. Fill up the value. Continue. F of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. F of x plus delta x 3.968 to the power 3 by 2 equal to f of x. F of x is 4. F dash of 4 into delta x is minus 0.032. Observe the values correctly. That is, I listed all the values first. What is x, what is delta x, everything. Equal to f of 4. F of 4 is 8. F dash of 4, that's you have to calculate. F of x equal to x to the power 3 by 2. So f dash of x is 3 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 or 3 by 2 root x. F dash of 4, 3 by 2 into root 4, 3 by 2 into 2, 3. F dash of 3 into minus 0.032. 8 minus final answer is 7.904. Enough. Still some more problems are there in the textbook. Try to work out them yourself. Let us take another type of problem. If problem number second now, 1 is over. If f of x equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 3, find approximate value. Find approximate value of f of 3.02. Same. Nothing else. Everything is just similar to the previous one. So let me write a formula first. F of x plus delta x always equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Here x plus delta x is 3.02. Therefore, no doubt x is 3, delta x is 0.02. One thing is over. Next, what about f of x? F of x equal to, it is given, so better, or if you want you can write 3x square 5x plus 3. F of, we need this, 3. 9 into 3, 5 into 3, 3. 27, 30, 45, correct, no? F of 3 over. Next comes f dash of x. Shall I write now itself? Formula already written, no? F dash of x equal to derivative of the given function, f of x function, 6x plus 5. We need f dash of x, x means 3, is 6 into 3 plus 5, 18, 23. Enough. Now come back to the formula, you get the answer. F of x plus 3.02 equal to f of 3 plus f dash of 3 into delta x is 0.02. F of 3, 45. F dash of 3, 23 into 0.02 or 45 plus 46.46. Final answer will be 45.46. Value is 45.46. Homework just for you to work out, just similar problem. That is why better to leave it. Find the approximate value. Find the approximate value of f of 2.01. See, just similar to the previous one, so you can try. Where f of x equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Right? Just similar means exactly similar to the previous one. Answer is 28.21. Try yourself. Over. Let me take a third type of problem. Find the approximate change. Find the approximate change. Find the approximate change in the volume V. In the volume V of a cube of side x. Of side x. Side x unit also given meter, caused by increasing the side by 2%. Careful, a little different type of problem, but the formula is the same, method also same, values you must select correctly. Approximate change, whatever may be, let me write the formula first. Equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Now see, not the approximate value they ask. They ask approximate change in the value of the function. Change in the value of the function means this one, see. Change in the value of the function is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. See difference. Very value minus original value. Changed value minus the original value is the change in the value of the function. So f of x plus delta x minus, you bring this f of x to the left hand side. Only you have to calculate this one, enough. F dash of x into delta x you have to calculate. This is the question asked there. Okay, what is f of x plus delta x minus f of x as it is equal to? What about f dash of x? Let me calculate here. F of x is calculating the volume of a cube of side x, or it is x cube. F of x is volume equal to x cube. f dash of x dv by dx if you want 3x square. Half side x meter. Right? F dash of x 15. What about delta x? They have given, see, side x meter by increasing the side 2%. Originally side is x. If we increase 2%, what is the increment? 2% of x. Delta x is 2% of x. That means 2 by 100x or 0.02x. Remember this. Let me come back to the formula. Equal to, this is what required. Change in the volume. Shall I write delta V? Delta V. Change in the volume. F dash of x, 3x square into delta x 0.02x. Altogether you get 0.06x cube is the change in the volume. Meter cube. Okay, this is the answer. Enough. Just to see that one correctly, clearly. Problem for you to work out, homework. Find the approximate change. Same question, that is why I leave this one for you to work out. Find the approximate change in the surface area. Change in the surface area of a cube. Again same. Of side x meter. See, similar means similar type of problem. Caused by decreasing the side. Decreasing the side. Only the difference is there it is increased by, here it is decreasing, that's all. Decreasing the side by 1%. Okay. Right? Last problem under this. If the radius of problem number 4, I think 4 or 5, if the radius of the sphere is measured as 9 centimeter with an error of 0.03 centimeter. Find the approximate error in calculating its volume. Okay. Once again it is change in the value of the function. Correct, no? So, f of x plus delta x minus f of x is required. Okay. Calculate, find the approximate error in calculating its volume. Delta V is required. Write one by one. F dash of x, volume of what? Radius of the sphere. Volume of sphere. V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. dV by dx, dV by dr, because the variable here is not x, or let me write x cube so that the differentiation will be clear. dV by dx is 4 by 3 pi 3x square or 4 pi x square. 4 pi x square. F dash of x over delta x with an error 0.03. Everything is given. What about x? 9. See, given that x is 9, delta x is 0.03. 0.03. F dash of x 4 pi x square. F dash of 9 4 pi 81, or it is 4 324 pi. Correct, no? Fill up the values in the formula. Enough. Change in the volume. Let me write dV equal to f dash of x 324 pi. Correct, no? 324 pi. Delta x 0.03. Answer is 9.72 pi centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. Approximate value of the function or change in the volume or whatever may be. You can calculate using the differentiation method. Make the idea clear, calculate it yourself.